Welcome in to Music City Trader. This is day 2 of the 100-day challenge, and we are about to get trading. Our starting trade today is $40. Our account balance is starting at $971. Off of 2 losses yesterday, we are looking for 2 good, clean wins today. Hey, we meet up here every day, and I show you real-life binary options trading. But my YouTube channel statistics show that only about 50% of you watching right now are subscribed to the channel. I'd like to make a deal with you. If you're enjoying these sessions, please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. That's my promise to you. Do we have a deal? Hey, before we start trading today, I need to let you know one more thing. Did you know that you can get an exclusive live Zoom link to my daily sessions so you can take trades with me, and you can even hook up to my social trades and automatically take every trade I make even when you're not at your computer. It's a powerful tool, and Pocket Option makes it extremely easy to set up. Just enter my trading ID and click follow. If you want to start making profit and stick right with me, I invite you to join the exclusive Music City Trader Tribe. To join, go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, this is the way we are going to do it today. I'm watching this right now at CAD CHF, and it looks like it's going to go back up. That might have been the opportunity for a rejection. It is going higher highs. I've got a little channel that it's a pretty serious channel here, and it's kind of headed up that way. I'm not 100% convinced yet on this one, but I think, I guess the chart is moving slow enough. I guess if it breaks above here in this 30 seconds, little rejection, this could be actually heading for a breakdown. But I'm just going to watch this. Today I'm going to try to actually win my trades. Yesterday, day 1, just kind of getting back into live streaming, getting back into podcasting. And I think it's hard to kind of just be myself in my trading when I'm trying to explain every move. So I believe this 100 days will just be a little more relaxed. I'm going to be looking for opportunities and just taking them. And maybe I'll talk about them at the end of the episode a little more. For those of you guys in the tribe, you'll have a Zoom link, but this is acting funny. It's acting like it kind of rejected off this line, which I see this line as a top here, and it's kind of trying to go up, but it's not necessarily going up very fast. I do think it is going up, but did it reach its complete bottom is kind of what I'm not sure. I do get the feeling this is going up, and it's probably going to go up. But I'm not like 100% convinced. The pattern is a little slow and a little jagged. It's not, if it returns back down to here again, that would almost give me the idea that it was going to go back down. It's kind of, see, it's definitely reached some levels. It's like the way I traded yesterday. I kind of guessed in these areas. They were just kind of like, I wasn't 100% sure. I was more sure down here. A lot of wicks on these candles here. And we're kind of at this weird level here where it's sort of climbing, but not necessarily. I'm going to go ahead and look at 10 seconds. Yeah, it's either way on this for me. It's not a great pattern. I'm going to look at some other patterns here in the 1 minute. That's definitely a nice turnaround on Euro NZD. That's kind of flat too. This is kind of jagged. Oh, here's one that's been in free fall. yesterday, I just wish I would have waited for a lower point, but that's kind of in free fall right there. Never know. It could be out of pocket there. Same with this one. It kind of fell out of there. Probably will go back up from here. Let's look at the 30-second. But again, that's a downtrend. So I'm looking around. I guess in some of these episodes, I need to be, just patient in general. This one's interesting. It's looking like it's reaching some levels. This one might be something I'd be interested in. It's in a downtrend. It's pushing heavy. Could be an RSI touch right down here. It's the 30-second RSI touch, but that would have been the moment right there. I'm just not so sure that it won't break up or break back down. I actually kind of think this is going to break down from here. That's my gut feeling because it already hit here twice. I could have taken that bounce. Looks like it is going to go down. I want to keep it. I want to keep it in 1 minute. So it obeyed 3 times at the bottom, and it's obeying again. Pretty strong. Obeyed at the bottom and bounced. Okay, I'm going to go ahead on a call on this one, and I'll explain why I did that. That was a big candle. But I am looking at rejection off this line. It's a pretty confirmed rejection. Now, if it returns, it would be a loss. But I think that because it's got such a huge rejection there, I'm kind of going off of one of our inner city or Music City Trader Tribe guys. I think he uses a zigzag. And I got 20 seconds. Okay. Let's look at the 10-second just to be, Woo! There we go. Okay, 10 seconds. Can this reach back up? Is it going to reach back up? It's moving a little bit slow there on the 10 seconds. Oh, man. It looks like it's going to lose. All right, that's okay. Let's go in for... I think one of my rules is that I'm not going to retrade on this because it burned me there. I would have been better to take it at that very bottom, but I've been broken through multiple times. So let's all right, I'm going to speed the tick up just a little bit here. I'm not going to overthink this. That would have been a great entry before. All right. We're going to go ahead and speed the tick up of this. This is finally broken out of here, hit the bottom, and now it's going back up. I think this is the one that we were on earlier. And I think this is good because it hit the bottom. And it's going for a rejection. Hopefully this one can win and I can hit another win or two. But I'll probably speed the tick up. I think that's probably part of my issue in the live stream, in the podcasting, is I overthink. I think and overthink. I see these opportunities where, like this one, where I really know, okay, it really did break all the way down through. It hit a rejection. And then, it started to turn back around. And I just knew, just by looking at that, and because I'd looked at it earlier, that it was good. And that's going to be a win. So we'll have our first win for our 100-day challenge right here. That's a good win too, actually. It's a really good win. There we go. And so I'm happy about that. So let's see here. Odd NZD is where we went before. this odd NZD kind of got stuck down there. It's kind of just doing a back and forth motion. Unfortunately, it is sort of just in a weird spot, so I'm not going to trade that one anymore. Now, this one reached up and grabbed that white line and rejected. And I can't know for sure if it's going to continue. So, looks like for today's session, I'm going to need 2 more wins to hit my profit. This goes down to 84. We'll close some of these. You know, this is the thing. This is the thing. It kind of came up here. It finally broke down through there. Now it went back up. It's kind of retesting this level again. I'm just going to peek at 5 minutes. I don't usually look at 5 minutes. It's got high levels up here that it could go back to. Where are those levels? Those are way up here. It's done that before. They're kind of out of realm. That's 64,140. Oh no, that's, yeah, it goes up there. It's kind of flat. I don't think that's going anywhere. I think it's going to just stick around here, just in this area. In fact, if it goes back down to this level, I'd probably take a nice long call. Oh. There's my puppy. He's here. Maybe he wants to sit on my lap and trade this morning. But I need to look around for some other opportunities. Things are moving a little bit sideways. Things are moving a little sideways right now. In general. Oh, there's one that's moving up. It's kind of hit kind of a high level. Yeah, this is a high level that it reached up here. I'm going to take that for 1 minute. It's kind of, because the charts are kind of in a, at least right now, they're kind of in a sideways motion. I feel pretty good with that. I don't feel like they're breaking points very much. I still feel like that's going to go back down, so that's good. Although it looks like it's RSI touching the 1 minute. Let's look at the 10 second and see. Yeah, that's kind of in an uptrend in the 10 seconds there. Massive break, finally. That's a weird break, 20 seconds. So unless that just really tanks. But it scares me because it kind of popped above this high level already. There we go. 10 seconds there. Okay, that's contentious there. So I still think that will lose because it's not moving fast enough. But man, okay, that's another loss. So today we have a loss, we have a win, and a loss. So we have one loss. And we can go for another trade here. That is a breakout. It's a breakthrough. I don't want to push it because it does have up pressure and it is breaking out of its area. Yeah, so unfortunately, I'm not going to retrade on this chart because it's just got some little bit of up contention. It's continuing up, maybe, but maybe it's not. This one's definitely sideways on the white line. It kind of is really sideways. I'm going to look through these in the 10 second and just see if I can find any patterns here. I could go either way. To me, it's in an up push. Oh, that looks like a nice little turnaround. That looks like a nice turnaround. Let's look at these in the 30 seconds. Yeah, so to me, this is going down. I'm going to take this down because it sort of hit, rejected, and then it's pushing back. It's in the 30 second. Let's see what it looks like in 1 minute. Yeah, I'm going now only based on what they've been doing. They've been kind of staying in their realm, but then they've been kind of breaking down here and there. So let's see what this will do. It's a very low point to take a put, but let's see. Yeah, if it's going to break back down, it will in the next 20 seconds from here, and it'll just slam back down here. But then again, it might not. It might just slam right down here, hopefully in the next 20 seconds. It's going to be a loss, it looks like, again. I've got to get my mojo back, guys. I've got to get my mojo back. Well, let's see. I don't know, 5 seconds. It's moving really slow. I got to get my mojo back. That's 2 losses today. So that'll be it for today's session. That's day 2 of 100. I've got to get my mojo back. And maybe tomorrow I'll divide by 5. I was going to keep dividing by 2 for the first 5 days, but I'm losing a lot of trades. I'm kind of taking slow trades compared to what I usually take. I'm kind of jittery on the moments, and then I'm kind of calling the wrong moments. So like that was a breakdown, and I thought that it was just going to continue to go down because it's been going down. It finally broke out, but it's sort of just a lot of sideways motion. And I think maybe I'm going to have to pick up my pace a little bit, just finding the right moments and taking them when I see them. But I'm trying to be careful. I think 1, because of the podcast, 2, because I'm trading off of only 2 losses per day. So I'm kind of like trying to be careful. And that's, I think, causing me not to enter certain trades that I would win. But, you win some, you lose some. That's another 2 losses on day 2. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.